Hey, what's up? I'm Rollins. I'm here to share you guys the Vibes TCG. Vibes TCG is a fun and free collectible card game that lets you play with both physical cards and digital cards. It was made by Orange Cup Games and is based on the cute PUBG Penguins characters. It's a game where you can collect cards and play with them. You can enjoy both real cards you hold and digital cards you can use online. Inspired by the popular PUBG Penguins, which are cute cartoon penguins. Why Vibes TCG stands out? The game has cute and colorful artwork that players love. Madali lang siyang aralin and also has strategies that make it interesting for everyone. Makaka-earn tayo ng rewards sa paglalaro, which is exciting, di ba? Ang game na to ay pwedeng-pwede sa naglalaro na before and those who are just starting. My personal experience with Vibes TCG. Vibes TCG is a fun game talaga and ang saya niyang laruin, relaxing and ma-enjoy mo talaga at the same time. And also, ma-improve rin ang memory and critical thinking natin sa paglalaro. Here's our upcoming event in Vibes TCG. IR Learn to Play Tournament. Date June 28, 2025. And the locations unboxed Promenade Mall, Green Hills, San Juan. Description: this is a friendly tournament for beginners, so anyone can join and learn how to play. And next is Vibe Asian Championship. Date is November 19, 22, 2025. Event, part of the YG Play Summit. Gusto mo bang maging part ng TCG player at manalo ng 1 million pesos? Hindi ka na at i-represent ang Philippines sa Vibes Asian Championship.